lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today I'm showing you Outre Perfect's Hairline Peak 705, and let me tell you, I am so in love with this unit and the color is absolutely gorgeous. This is a 28-inch 13 by 6 HD lace. What I especially love is how much lace you get. It gives you so many styling options. This wig comes pre-plucked and also features a widow's peak hairline, which is perfect because I'm going to attempt something new today, the famous Lagos hairline. Now, when I search up that hairline, this is the general style I keep seeing. A clean hairline with a defined widow's peak and no baby hairs. And guess what? This unit already does have the work for me. So I'm going to define that widow's peak even more by sectioning out small pieces of the hairline and pulling them out to sculpt the look. Since this is my first time trying this, I'm totally winging it, but that's okay because we're going to try this together. I'm using my hands to pluck the hair instead of a tweezer because I personally find that easier to control. So stay tuned and let's see how this turns out. Alright y'all, let's jump into the next section. I'm basically repeating the same steps from earlier, just carving out those tiny bits of widow's peak and pulling them forward to really define it. And can we take a second to talk about this lace, because baby, it's so thin you can literally see my wig cap underneath. Like, what synthetic unit is giving you this kind of transparency? And that's simple, that's Outre y'all, because they never disappoint, and that's why I'ma forever keep going back to them. Now let's talk about this lace space. This unit gives me so much room to work with, and if you know, I have a big head y'all, it's not a secret. So for this wig to fit comfortably and still give me extra lace to cut, yeah, it's definitely big head friendly. I'm clipping the hair back and starting with the ear tabs. I'll then be cutting up the excess lace around the ears to get a snug fit. Now for the hairline, I'm grabbing my angle tweezer and just randomly plucking to thin it out. I'm not following any specific pattern. I'll then go back in wherever it looks a little bit too dense until I get that natural, effortless hairline. Y'all, I haven't posted a video in so long because y'all know, like, life is lifing right now. I recently moved to Houston and I'm just trying to find my new normalcy while I get my recording space together. Do y'all see this hairline? It looks so natural and I'm so in love with the progress so far. But I've been reading y'all comments and I promise to upload more videos because I miss my YouTube family and I feel bad for leaving y'all hanging. And I promise to do much better and be more consistent. Now, if y'all would like a Q&A video of my move to Houston, let me know and I can work something out for y'all. Because trust and believe, moving to another state without a job, without an apartment is definitely a story for the books. Next up, I'm spraying my got-to-be around the front and using my edge brush to smooth everything down. Then wrap it up with an elastic band to get that perfect melt. Now let's style it. Honestly, I'm not trying to do too much because the curl pattern on this unit is already given. I'm just gonna hit the middle part with a little wax stick, then press it down with a hot comb for that sleek polished finish. And as you can see, I'm not running the hot comb all the way through, just about a quarter way down. I do not want to mess up these gorgeous curls. And don't forget to press the back too. We want everything to look smooth and seamless from every angle. Dolls, look at this melt, y'all. It's giving scalp. Tell me otherwise. Like, it's giving natural. It's giving everything it needs to give. And I'm so hyped about how this is turning out. Now I'm going in with my rat tail comb to really define that middle part. I want it crisp, clean, and super sharp. No lazy parting over here. Then I'm taking my hot comb again just to press down each side of the hairline for that ultra melted lace look. Time to cut the lace. I'm using my eyebrow razor to trim off the excess lace. She's a little dull right now, but no worries, I'm making it work. I just place the edge of the razor flat against the lace, then guide it with my other hand to gently rip away the extra lace. Slow and steady wins the race, okay? If any of you dolls end up trying this lace cutting method, let me know how it turns out for y'all, and tell me if you prefer this over the classic zigzag technique. I'd love to hear what works best for you. Now to melt the lace even more, I'm going back in with my got-to-be. I just take a little bit on the tail end of my rat tail comb and transfer the glue right onto the edge of the lace, just working around the full circumference. Then I grab my blow dryer, or in my case, a fan, and let that melt right into my skin. I repeat the same steps on the other side for that full, flawless finish. Dolls, I'm more than halfway through this process, and can y'all see the vision? Because I definitely can. It's blending so well into my skin, and that's why I keep raving so much about this unit. It blends so well. Like, do y'all see how transparent this looks? It looks like it's coming straight out of my scalp. Next, I'm using my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in shade 16 and applying with the blending brush to tint the lace. This step really helps everything blend into my skin. It's so seamless and it's so flawless, and honestly, it's definitely giving what lace. Tell me otherwise. Dolls, I can't stress this enough. This lace is top tier. It melts into my skin so well that even I had to do a double take. I'm seriously impressed with this unit, y'all. Now I'm combing through the hair to get rid of any stranded hair from plucking and to smooth out any tangles. And I y'all, can we talk about this color? It's giving rich, radiant, glowing from within, y'all. It complements my skin tone so well, and it's giving me the rich auntie vibes. Like, come on now. So to frame my face, I'm going back in with my wax stick and a hot comb, just pushing the hair towards my face to get that soft face framing shape. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I cannot stop raving about this unit. It's so soft, bouncy, full of life, and the color is just so stunning. And yes, this is me without makeup, and the unit is still serving face, okay? Period. I keep playing with this and running my fingers through it. Like, when something feels so good, you just can't stop touching it, because I really can't. And that's me right now with this wig. I can't stop touching it. One of my lights did go out, so the lighting isn't doing its full justice, but trust me, it's even better in person. To finish off, I'm going in with the lighter shade of Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation just to sharpen and define that middle part. A little detail goes a long way. And here's the final look. Like, y'all, I can't say this enough. I'm honestly gushing over how this turned out. But I've got a little time on my hands, so why not switch up the style? Let's do one of my favorite go-to styles, a half up, half down with two face framing strands. It's such a quick and easy switch up style that won't ruin the work you already done. Super versatile, and you can also rotate between this and the original style effortlessly. And if you're feeling it, you can even go for a side part. The possibilities are endless with this one unit. So here's the final look, and honestly, if you've made it this far, you've heard me praise this wig enough. This unit definitely exceeded my expectations, and I'll 100% be grabbing it in more colors. Bye lovelies, I'll see you in my next video.